Everyone who owns and operates a business wants success. No one looks forward to another day of struggle, having to face disappointed customers or having to worry about cash flow. Imagine how life would be if your business attracted more leads and transformed those leads into customers. Customers for life, who become cheerleaders for you and your company. Wishful thinking? Magic? No. There are time-proven strategies, a science to operating a highly successful business. And owners who know and follow this formula are successful. They become the leading companies in their trades, in their communities. And you too can do this. For you, it can begin with the XSELL Factor. It's a concise, easy-to-read guidebook that can lead you and your company on an exciting and rewarding journey to extraordinary. Being stuck in ordinary is no fun. Order your copy today.